Surprise, surprise, it's my first daylily bloom. I mean, I've got all these tick seeds, and that's a bottle brush there. And here are my gorgeous, gorgeous lilies from a Florida nursery, lily grower. I'm not sure the name of this one. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it. So if I find it, I'll put it up on the screen. Oh my goodness, and it's got so many more that are coming. Look how gorgeous. Beautiful daylilies in my crazy flower garden here. It's tough to see the morning sun here, but I have drift roses and tons of drift roses and phlox and tons of tick seed. And the pink is phlox and the yellow is tick seed. And here are daylilies. Actually, there were a couple other that were in the same kind of stage. Here we go. There's one, but it hasn't bloomed yet. And then let's look over here. I have more roses and roses, and look at this. I'm in a wildflower field of tick seed and phlox, and the society garlic is happy and blooming. Look at all these tick seeds. Look at all the tick seeds. And here's the other one, but it is not in bloom yet. I would assume the one that we saw that is in bloom is gets more sun. So here's some roses, and where's my other? Oh my goodness, something keeps knocking this poor plant down. I have to see what the deal is here, but something keeps wanting to dig it up. Probably an armadillo or something. I'm gonna have to put this in better now. Oh, poor thing's never gonna make it. If I have to put better soil, maybe. I don't know. These are junipers, so junipers don't really care for good soil. Anyway, very super excited. Can you see it from here? Beyond the pump right there. And super, super excited. I'll go back to it just to finish on a good note. Put on my phlox, tons of spider webs here that I'm taking down. Joe's still working on the irrigation. And gorgeous lily.